Today I'm going to show you how to use QuickBooks for an auto repair shop in 2026. First, choose the QuickBooks plan that fits your shop. QuickBooks Online is usually useful if you want access from anywhere. Once your account is set up, start by creating your customer invoices. Click the Create icon, then choose Invoice. Select the customer, then add line items for the work completed. For an auto repair shop, you can separate the invoice into things like labor, parts, diagnostics, oil change, inspection, or any other service you provide. Enter the quantity, rate, tax if needed. If you track vehicle details, add the vehicle make, model, year, plate number, or repair order number in the description or memo section. This makes it easier to find the invoice later. Next, set the payment terms and due date. Then send the invoice to the customer by email or turn on online payments if you accept card or bank payments through QuickBooks. When the customer pays, go to Receive Payment. Choose the customer, select the correct invoice, enter the payment amount, and deposit it to the correct account. This helps the payment match properly when it appears in your bank feed. Now record your shop expenses. Use expense or bill, depending on whether you already paid or still owe the vendor. Categorize costs like parts, tools, shop supplies, fuel, rent, utilities, waste disposal, merchant fees, and equipment repairs. Attach receipts when possible so your records stay organized. You can also connect your bank account to QuickBooks so transactions come in automatically. From the bank feed, review each transaction and either match it to something already recorded or categorize it to the correct account. Next, set up your chart of accounts properly. For an auto repair shop, you may want separate income accounts for labor income and parts income. You may also want cost of goods sold accounts for parts you resell, plus expense accounts for supplies, tools, software, insurance, utilities, and other shop costs. Keeping these categories organized makes your reports easier to understand. You should also reconcile your accounts every month. Go to Reconcile, choose the bank or credit card account, enter the statement ending balance and ending date, then match the transactions in QuickBooks to your bank statement. This helps make sure your books match your real bank activity. Finally, review your reports. Use the profit and loss report to see your income, expenses, and profit. Use sales by product or service to see how much revenue comes from labor, parts, and specific repair services. Use accounts receivable aging to find customers who still owe money. Use expenses by vendor to see where your shop is spending the most. And that's how to use QuickBooks for an auto repair shop in 2026.